Aloha. Hey, I'm in a condo and I found something that I wanted to show you. Got a couple light fixtures over here, lamps, and this one here, I don't know if you can see that or not. Look, it's all off. I guess I'll have to turn it off here. Jeez. Okay, now maybe you can see it. See? The base of it all came off. And I'm gonna see if I can fix this. I'm not sure. I'd hate to have to replace this entire lamp or take the whole guts out just to fix this. And so I've got to take this top bit off. See, I got to unscrew that, and I was having a hard time trying to unscrew that here. Good Lord. It's not coming. Well, you heard me say there's two ways. There's two ways to skin a cat. And when you got something, when you have something like that, see, it's on an arm. Let's see if I can get you in there. It's on an arm. You just slide these things up out of the way. And then I can pull this whole thing off. Let's see if I can do it. Because I don't want to mess with this top thing anymore. I think I could just lift this up and then I press it together a little bit. And voila. See there? I just squeeze that together, and this has like a flat bit on it, see? And then that fits in a groove, and then this thing slides over it. So if your lamp is like that, maybe you can get it off after all. Just slip that up, push it together, and take that off. You see how some of them have, see that groove there? That's where you pinch it together, and then it kind of doink, fits in there, and then that collar fits over that. You see this here? Look it. What's up with that? I'm gonna have to unplug this and do a little surgery on it. I'll take you into my laboratory in a minute. Boy, see all these ribs? I thought maybe each one of those had a area to slip in there, or maybe I could kind of push that in there and smash it in. But upon further careful review, you got to look at things close. My word. I'm seeing on here, see right there, there's two little nibs right there, and on the other side there's two more. See right there? And then when I look on the inside of this, I'm looking and I see them. Right? Let's see if I can't zoom that in. Let's see where they are. Right there. See those two little things right there? Those are different than everywhere else. And then there's two on this side right there. And those are going to coincide with these. There's those two little ones there and these two little ones there. So I think, boy, it's going to be that easy to set this up in there and see about where it should go. Right. Okay. Right like that. Okay. Those don't seem to be lined up. This might have to be flipped around this way. Let's just see. There's those two there. I think they would line up here. Those there. Okay. I'm going to have to make sure everything's lined up just right. I'm going to have to get it at a different angle here. See what I can do. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.